The range of a data set is the difference in the highest and lowest data value in the set. The range offers a simple measure of the overall spread of the data set. In example 4, we want to find the range. The range is simply the highest minus the lowest data values. So in this example, we have 5 minus 1, which is 4. We also want to find the mean of this data set. Mean, x bar. First, we add the numbers, and then divide by the number of data values that we have, in this case 5. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 4 is 10, plus 5 is 15. 15 divided by 5 will give us a mean of 3. In part B, let's first find the range. That is the highest minus the lowest. We get 9. Now let's find the mean. We add up all of the digits and then divide by the number of values that we have. 0 plus 1 is 1, plus 2 is 3, plus 3 is 6, plus 9 is 15, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. So the next question is, what do you notice about these two data sets? Recognize that the mean is the same in both cases. The average is the same, but the range is very different. Notice that the first range is relatively small, and it's small because the numbers are relatively close together. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas in this example, in example B, we have a bigger range, and that's because the data is more spread out. It starts at 0 and goes all the way up to 9. So since the data is more spread out, we have a bigger range. In example 5, we're given the frequency distribution that shows the frequency of quiz scores on a 3-question quiz. So here we have the possible scores 0, 1, 2, or 3, and the frequency at which those scores occurred. Let's find the mean. We start by adding the data values. But we can't just add 1, 2, 3 because we have to look at their frequency. 0 occurred 1 time. Plus 1 occurs 3 times. And then 2, this quiz score occurs 4 times. And then 3 occurs twice. And then we'll divide by the number of quiz scores. The number of quiz scores can be found by adding the frequency. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So we'll divide by 10. One plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. We get 17 over 10. 17 divided by 10 is 1.7. So it looks like the average, or the mean, is 1.7. The median will be the number that's in the middle of the data set. In order to find the median, the numbers do have to be arranged in order, so we can list them out similar to how we listed them when we found the mean. We have 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3. So if we count them up, we know that there's 10 numbers total. So we can find the middle. We have 5 numbers on the left, 5 numbers on the right. Since we have an even number of data items, we need to take the average of the 2 numbers in the middle. We can see that both numbers in the middle are 2. If we average 2, we'll just get 2. So we can see the median is 2. The mode is the number that occurs most frequently. In this case, we can use the table to see that number 2 occurs 4 times, which is more often than the others. So the mode is 2. The range is the highest minus the smallest, or high minus low. The highest quiz score is 3. The lowest quiz score is 0. So the range is 3.